let's go through the code 1006, Clumsy Factorial. For this question, it gives us an integer num, and let's return the Clumsy Factorial value for this number. So the Clumsy Factorial, it defines, you'll see, this n multiplied by n minus 1 divided by n minus 2, and plus n minus 3, and then minus. So let's observe this kind of patterns. Let's see, this one, actually from here, I said, from here, they are going to have the same pattern, right? So we'll see if that is 100, right? 100 multiplied by 99 and divided by 98 and plus 97, right? And then we have minus 96 multiplied by 95 divided by 94 and plus 93, and then minus 92 multiplied by 91 divided by 90 and plus 89, right? And we'll see this kind of formula, it has the same pattern from here, right? From here and until to the end. So in the end, it may left some kind of number, for example, maybe minus 3 multiplied by 2 divided by 1, right? So then it will be 0, right? Plus 0. Or it may be minus 2 multiplied by 1, right? So if, for example, if this is minus 4 divided by 2, multiplied by 3 divided by 2 plus 1, it still ends with this kind of pattern, right? So every four digits, they have the same pattern. So we can handle this kind of 4 digits in the same way. But the rest one, for example, like this part, right? It can be minus 3 multiplied by 2 divided by 1, or minus 2 multiplied by 1, or minus 1, right? For this kind of the last part, we need to have special handling, right? And also, you see, this is negative, this is positive, right? So also the first one, we need to have a special handling, right? So we can write a function called calculate to handle this part. And we can have something to handle this part called special calculate, okay? Then we just do this kind of question for every 4 numbers. So let's begin to write code for this. And we are going to write a function called special calculate, and a function called calculate private int calculate. Calculate, we're going to have 4 numbers, int b, int c, int d, right? So this will return, let's see, let's look at this kind of pattern. Should return minus, okay, minus a multiplied by b divided by c plus d, right? And for special calculate, we just handle this part, right? Yeah, because I think let's do this and have the initial value to be a special calculate plus this value. Okay, so we're going to have a private int special calculate. Let's have 3 values, int a, int b, int c. Okay. So what we do is that we are going to return a multiplied by in order to handle the last situation, right? Because this can only have 2 values, right? So what we do is that if it is smaller equal to 0, right? We just set this one as 1, right? So let's do mass.max 1b divided by mass.max 1c, right? So let's do int result equals special calculate n minus 1, right? N minus 2. And plus n minus 3, right? N minus 3 is possibly it's already be negative, right? So we'll have mass.max 0, n minus 3, right? So let's have n minus equal to 4, right? So now that is every 4 digits, we're trying to do the calculations, right? So for n, let's write n greater than 3, because for the last several number, we also need to have special handling, n minus equal to 4, right? So what we do is that we our result will plus equal to calculate n minus 1, n minus 2, right? And then n minus 3. And in the end, right? So if there still have some kind of number left, well, right? If n greater than 0, well, special handling minus, this will be minus, right? So this is positive, this is negative. We have result minus equal to special calculate and minus 1 and minus 2, right? In the end, we just return result. Time complexity is O(n).